Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Leaflet maps and remove map-related UI. Begin by opening your project folder where the Leaflet maps are implemented. Locate the HTML file where the Leaflet map is embedded. Search for the script tag that includes the Leaflet library URL. Remove this script tag from your HTML file. Next, find any CSS links related to Leaflet styles. These are usually included in a link tag. Delete those link tags to remove the Leaflet CSS styles. Now, go to the JavaScript file where the Leaflet map setup is present. Identify any code that initializes the Leaflet map. This typically involves a function called like l.map or l.tilelayer. Remove all code related to Leaflet functionality. Look for any event listeners or custom functions that interact with the Leaflet map. Delete these as well to ensure all Leaflet references are removed. Next, check your project's dependency manager. If Leaflet is listed as a dependency, remove it from your package.json file. After that, run your package manager's uninstall command to remove Leaflet. For example, if using npm, use the command npm uninstall Leaflet. Now, return to your HTML file. Look for any divs or containers specifically created for the Leaflet map. Remove these elements from your HTML to clean up the layout. Finally, review your application to ensure there are no remaining references to Leaflet. After confirming that all files related to Leaflet are removed and cleaned up, your project is now free of Leaflet maps and styles. You can proceed to validate functionality and confirm that the application operates without errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.